Does your home have a patio? A patio or porch is a welcome addition to your backyard, giving you a beautiful space to enjoy the climate. If you're considering putting in a new patio or updating your porch to make it more enjoyable, there are many benefits you can enjoy. An outdoor entertainment area adds value to your home. When people are home shopping, they like to see a finished outdoor living area. With a beautifully designed patio or porch, you can add value to your home while also enjoying better use out of your space. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A patio is mainly used as a space where you can sit with your coffee in hand and explore what beautiful landscape designs additions can do for your backyard. Having landscaping done can improve the layout of your yard and land property, bringing a more pleasurable view when enjoying the outdoors. It is also a designated place where you can have barbecues and watch your kids play together, among other fun-filled family activities. These are some of the benefits a patio can bring to you should you choose to have one installed. Vitamin D is only metabolized naturally when you are exposed to the sun. If you don't have a nice outdoor living area, you're not going to spend much time outside. A patio or porch gives you a comfortable place to soak up some rays and get more vitamin D. A patio or porch gives you a practical living area, outdoors. Consider adding a grill station or an outdoor kitchen to make the space even more functional. You'll be close to your home and kitchen, while enjoying the outdoor air and climate. Do you want to host a barbecue? How about having a few friends over for drinks and roastings and more? These kinds of activities are easier if you have a patio or porch, because you have plenty of room for people to spread out. You can enjoy pick-up games of your favorite backyard sports while sitting around on your patio furniture enjoying great conversation, and keep your home's interior protected at the same time. Meals enjoyed outdoors, conversations around a patio table, and time together as a family are all benefits of having a patio or porch. Patios are a good way to add curb appeal with their landscape design additions and also the functionality of your home's outdoor area. Adding a patio can make your home more attractive and also make it a suitable place to host different activities with your friends and family. Your home having a patio is a huge benefit, especially when you host your family and friends. This provides you with the opportunity to spend time together with your loved ones. Patios offer a space where you can just sit outside and enjoy the nice weather while you bond with your family and friends. It doesn't matter if it is small or big, invest in adding a patio in your home so that you can have adequate space to entertain your guests. Patios extend the latest living space in your home. You can enjoy the view of your backyard even during rainy days, provided you enclose the patio. There's also the option of leaving it open and letting it be an extension of your home. Sometimes patios and landscape designs additions can be used to add more rooms to your home, such as kitchens, bedrooms, etc. Due to its advantage in entertaining guests, you get to reduce spending too much to cover heating and cooling bills. This is because appliances that use electricity like AC systems won't consume too much power. The natural ventilation from outside will allow air to flow in and out smoothly and create a natural cooling system. Adding lattice coverage on your patio enables you to control the sunshade allowed on your patio by adjusting the spacing on your lattice tube. There are also other options where you can have a patio which enables you to control how much UV sunlight gets into your patio. There are so many ways in which you can benefit from installing a patio. You should take advantage of your extra outdoor space and have a patio installed during your next landscaping service. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.